Let me show you all of the battery settings in Motorola Signature. So first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. After that, we can scroll down and find the battery right here. Now let's check all of the settings for it. So starting with we have a battery saver. You can enable or disable it with this switch, and also switch between two different modes. There's standard battery saver, which optimizes system to save you battery, and maximum battery saver, which puts restrictions on your system, for example blocking out apps so you cannot access them when this option is active. You can also enter a gear icon and adjust the settings like disabling 5G and selecting your essential apps that you want to use when you're in this mode. So choose carefully which one you want. You can also go for schedule and reminders and adjust the battery saver to toggle on automatically when the battery reaches certain percentage with those options. Then we can go to battery usage. This allows you to check which apps consume most of your battery. So you can check every day on this list and see that, for example, Ampere here took 1% of my battery. It works great if you're actually using your phone. I'm currently only recording this phone, so there's not accurate data here in battery usage. We can go for battery protection and enable it. This allows you to maintain your battery health, so you won't damage the battery when using this mode correctly. And you can enable it and then put it on smart schedule. This works only if you charge your phone on regular basis, for example overnight. If you're charging your phone only overnight, AI will learn on how to charge your device to protect your phone and get you to 100% at the same time. So I can explain you how it works, but in a moment. In manual schedule, you'll be able to set the battery percentage specifically to 80%, and it won't be able to go over it. It will only charge to 80%. And the smart schedule AI will basically learn the pattern, as I said. If you charge your phone overnight and plug it at 8, it will try to charge to 80%, and when it reaches 80%, it will stop charging. Then right before you're gonna wake up, it will charge to 100%, and that's how it works. Next thing is charge boost. You'll be able to enable or disable it. This allows you to charge your phone significantly faster, but to use it you also need a better charger. So on this device, most recommended charger would be 90 watts. You can get it if you like. Then there's manage background apps. You can enable it, and that way your system will manage all of the apps in the background and stop the apps if they consume too much battery and it seems that they are not needed. Then there's power sharing. You can use it to charge other devices and use your Motorola as a power bank. Then there's slow charging information. If your phone is charging slowly, you can enable it, and then you'll see notification that it actually uses a slow charging and it will take a long time to charge your phone. Adaptive battery, when activated, it will also limit battery access to some of the apps, so they won't be able to use most of your system performance in the background. Battery percentage allows you to show battery percentage next to your battery. And lastly, we can check our battery info. That way we can see the condition of our battery, its health, and the capacity. And that is all of the battery settings. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.